A Lubbock organization is bringing together artists, engineers, and inventors to help make their ideas become reality.
And now ULabs, as it is called, is using its machines and expertise to help community members find the tools they need to survive.
KCBD News Channel 11's Case Wilbanks visited this facility today to learn more.
It's essentially a small robot shop motor mounted inside a snap-on plastic frame.
Garen Anderson is just 9 years old, but is already inventing things to solve problems.
My dad wanted, he loves peanut and almond butter. And the kind we buy, it's natural, so it has the oil on the top.
Coming up with his own invention using Legos to spin a jar and mix the contents, he discovered a place where he could make it even better.
And then we noticed that ULabs had a 3D printing class, so we came here and I learned how to make an STL file and send it to a printer.
He teamed up with ubiquitous ULabs Makerspace in Lubbock to use a 3D printer. The fourth grader now makes and sells these devices.
If I just can't get a wire to wire up right, I can come here and get some help. It's very nice to know that hopefully this will be here for a long time.
ULabs is headed into year 5 in Lubbock, started by Leen Borno as a place where she can make jewelry and her kids could spend time and create.
I searched for different maker spaces around the U.S. and there were not a lot, and I just thought the Lubbock community needs to make one. And
the lab provides the equipment and knowledge to do everything from sew, weld, and program.
The next big venture for ULabs involves 3D printing and creating a device that could save a life.
I am a C2-3 quadriplegic.
Jamie Herring has used a trach to breathe for quite some time, but she says it's not manufactured anymore, and she has found no one willing to produce it. That's until a friend found ULabs.
And they can provide me the backup that I need, so that I'm not constantly worrying about, okay, where's my little device? I'm keeping up with it.
Herring says having the backup devices and the folks willing to make them improves her quality of life, a life that not many people live.
I'm a little bit rare out here in West Texas, so it's harder for me to come by some of the most modern advances that are in larger cities like Houston and Dallas. And
Borno says that's what they're here for, whether it's creating for humanitarian efforts, education, or just for pleasure.
just an interactive, fun place for people to come hang out and, be themselves or, push themselves to be better and reach the next level.
Case Wilbanks, KCBD News Channel 11.
And ULabs plans to provide the medical device at no cost. If Case has piqued your interest, we have a link on our website for information on contacting and visiting ULabs.